Hey friend, just wanted to let you know that your heart will come a long, long way. And if you're worried about the problems of today, wake up tomorrow and you'll feel alright. Don't let today affect tomorrow. It's a chance to make a change. Open your mind, forget your sorrow, believe you, me. Just a little smile, and everything will be fine. You'll get a second chance, you think it's better than today. Hey friend, you got to know that in this life, you take the good days with the bad days high. The bad days, yeah. Just imagine if everything went perfectly. You never appreciate those happy times. Oh,